Hi viewers, welcome to Universal. Thank you for watching. So today's topic is who is spying on you or who is keeping tabs on you. It's a pick a card reading, so you need to choose one card, whichever you are drawn towards. Go for only one card because I think one card is enough. You don't know who is spying, so you cannot choose multiple pints for multiple people. So just go for one card, whichever you are drawn towards. So let's get into the reading. Pile number 1, who choose blue pile? Who is spying on you and why? So pile number 1. Water sign is spying on you, whether they may be Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, or at least their chart is dominated by water element. This person is very emotional, sensitive too, I can say, very emotional. I think they have some emotional feelings towards you or love. They may be feeling some love towards you, so they want to offer this cup of love to you. That is the reason they are spying you. Maybe you may be, if you have any kind of friendships or relationships, who is water sign, and whether if you are treating them like a friend, I think this person want to come towards you and they want to offer you a cup of love. So here I'm sensing that they are just spying you because they want to know whether you are going to receive their cup or not. This person is having so many emotions for you. They are holding a lot of emotions for you, lot of love for you, but this person is not sure about what you are thinking about them. So that is the reason, instead of giving this cup to you, they are simply spying on you. Just they want to know, or they are waiting for the right time. So they are spying to get the idea to when to give this cup, or at least to notice or observe your thoughts, or at least your opinion about them. They are trying to find out your opinion about them because they want to offer this cup, but before offering that, they want to make sure that you are not going to reject that cup, so that they can dare to offer this cup, I can say. If at all you are already in a relationship, if you have any kind of differences or any misunderstandings, if you are not in a communication situation only, if you are not in a communication with this person, whomever you are in relationship, they want to offer this cup of love to you, but before that, they want to know what you are thinking about them. They want to clear that misunderstandings, and if they are not offered their cup of love to you in the past, now they want to do that. Now they want to offer this cup. Maybe they want to open up emotionally. In the past, no matter whether if you are in the relationship or friendship, they are unable to express their feelings, at least emotional feelings. So now they want to express those feelings to you, those emotions to you. But before that, as I said, this person is very sensitive. So before expressing that, they are making sure that you are not going to reject this cup, otherwise they will get hurt. So that is the reason why instead of offering this cup to you, they are simply keeping tabs on you so that they can find out more about you. They want to know more about you, or at least they want to find out about your feeling about them, what you are feeling, what your feelings towards them. So that is the reason they are not offering. Actually here no need to worry about, as we said, spying means they are not going to do any harm to you. They simply want to offer their cup of love. I think you already know this person, maybe as a friend, not as a... Here I am sensing that even though if you are in a relationship, if you have any kind of misunderstandings in the past, maybe this person unable to express these emotions. They have this deep emotions, whatever deep emotions they feel towards you. In the past, they may be not expressed you. You may be having some kind of materialistic relationship, not with love. If at all you are here, I am getting strongly, if you are in a relationship, now this person want to express these deep feelings for you. But before doing that, they want to make sure of something. Either it may be rejection. If at all you are in a relationship, it is not about rejection. Maybe they want to make sure about some other things, I can say. They are hesitating to do that. Maybe this person don't know how to express their emotions. They never expressed their emotions to anyone in their life till now. At least those deep feelings. No matter how lovey-dovey this person may be, they never expressed those deep feelings to anyone. They may be having, they may be holding it, they never express it. But this time they want to take this risk. But before doing that, they want to make sure of some things. So because of that, they are spying on you, or they are keeping tabs on you. They want to know, or they want to clear something. That's what they want to make sure about something before making this move, before offering this cup to you, or opening up emotionally. They want to make sure of some things. That is the reason they are spying on you. So let's move on to pile number 2, which is green pile. So green pile, who is spying on you and why? So pile number 2, this person is overly emotional. They don't think rationally. They don't have rational mind, I can say. They are overly emotional, and without even thinking, they will take some impulsive decisions. Or whatever decisions they will make based on the emotions. Because of that, this person is inconsistent, I can say. This person is not trustworthy. It is not that they will cheat you. It is like inconsistent mind. If they tell something to you now, after 1 hour or after next day, they will change their mind. They are inconsistent because whatever decisions they will make or whatever action they will take, it is completely depends on their emotions, not with logical mind, not with rational mind. So when the emotions change, automatically their actions will change. That feelings change, that actions will change. So that kind of person is spying on you. It is also Knight of Cups, but it is an impulsive person or not stable person, inconsistent person. They may be Scorpio, same, Cancer or Pisces. This person actually, Knight itself is an inconsistent person who is not committed, or at least they are not stable with their mindset, with their emotions, with their promises. They won't, if they promise also, they won't keep that promises, false promises. They will do false promises. It is simply because of their mindset. It is not that person is a bad person. It is simply they go with their emotions. So when the emotions change, their promises, their decisions, everything will change. So they run with their emotions, I can say here. They are overly emotional. That is the reason they are inconsistent person. This person is spying on you. The reason why spying on you is they want to offer this cup, but don't worry, they are not going to offer you. As I said, they are inconsistent. They have feelings for you, or at least they think that they have feelings for you. They want to offer this cup, but it is like one kind of thing they don't dare to offer you, because as I said, they themselves is inconsistent. Now they feel love towards you, next moment they feel not emotions. They don't feel same emotions for you, or at least they are not sure of their own cup. If they feel something towards you also, they are not sure about their own cup. That is what cup means, their emotions. They are not sure about their own emotions. That is also one reason why they are unable to come towards you. Knight of Cups means it is an impulsive person who will come towards you and offer you something very impulsively. Next moment they will change the mind. But here in the reverse, it is like they are still impulsive, but they don't want to take any action. That like they are not going to offer you, because this person knows that their emotions are unstable, inconsistent. So anyway, I don't think this person you can take it as a serious, because they have feelings for you, but they themselves is not sure about those feelings. So now you can understand what kind of mindset they are having. If it is in the upright, we can say that they will offer you, but not sure whether how many days they will keep, but it is like in the reverse. So anyway, this person is spying on you. It is weird when they are not going to offer, why they are spying on you. So okay, anyway, I think they are wondering their own emotions, because they don't even know their own emotions. They need to, here simply this person need to understand their own emotions. It is not about you, it is about this person. They need to understand their own emotions. They need to understand their own cup, whether this cup is filled or not, if it are filled with what it filled, with their own love, or with some kind of fears or some kind of insecurities. Everything will be there. When they get to know about all those things, then they will in the position to offer this cup to someone, at least to themselves also. Here they are not even offering to themselves. It is simply, I think this person is completely stuck with their emotions, I can say. They are completely with their own emotions. They are feeling like stuck in their own emotions. They need to come out of it, because first they need to process their emotions. They need to understand what exactly they are feeling, what exactly they want in their life, what exactly they want to do in their life. This person needs a lot of clarity about their life. It is like confusing card. That's what, if they are not understanding their own emotions, it is like some kind of confusion. What they are feeling towards someone, they also not know what they are feeling towards someone. Maybe it is you. If they are spying on you, they don't even know what they are feeling towards you, because today they feel something, next day they feel some other thing. So they even getting confused about those emotions. That is also one reason why, even though if they think to offer this cup, they are holding it, not offering it, because they are not sure about their own emotions. So anyway, I don't think they will do anything, because here they need to process their own emotions. They need to understand their own emotions. They need to get some kind of clarity about their life. First, this person need to stop thinking emotionally, and they need to start thinking rationally. They need to use their rational brain. then they will get some clarity about what is happening with their in their life or in their heart, in their emotions. They can find out, at least they can sort out. But this person is completely, as I said, stuck with their own emotions. They don't even know what is happening. It is like whirlpool. They are stuck in that own emotions whirlpool. So I don't think you can do something about it, because it is their own emotions. They need to, yeah, no one can help them, because if anyone try to help them also, they will get mad, because this person need to process their own emotions. For that, they need to stop thinking emotionally. They should start thinking rational. They need to use their rational brain. So pile number 2, anyway, whoever spying on you, no use for you, and they are not going to do any wrong to you. So you no need to worry. So let's move on to pile number 3, who choose white pile. So pile number 3, who is spying on you and why? So pile number 3, this person is Cancerian. This person is very emotional, and I think they are already feeling very emotional. They are not in a good situation. They are going through some breakup, or they lost something in their life, for that which they are crying over something which is not existed in their life. They have other cups, so many cups in their life, but they are crying over something which is not existed. This person not even looking at other cups. So this person is spying on you. Maybe you are the person whom they lost. That is the reason they are not doing anything. Only they are spying on you. They are not looking at other cups. This fellow is not even looking at other cups. So why they are spying on you is they want to offer their cup of love to you. Maybe you are sad, they want to console you by offering you their cup of love, or they want to help you to come out of that sadness. Don't know what you lost. You are what they lost, sorry. They are not in a good position. Pile number 3, here I think this person is you. I think you are not in a good position. You are crying over something which is not existed in their life, in your life. And here it is already so many cups around you. I think there are so many people who is ready to love you, who is ready to give that love to you. But the thing is, you are crying over something which is not existed in your life. And you are not even concentrating on these cups. Here I think energies are exchanging. Take as it resonates. If you are the person who is in a sad position where you are not concentrating on love right now, okay, currently this person is not concentrating on love, whether it is you or the person who is, I think it is you completely, because this person is completely in sorrow, sadness. Pile number 3, I think you are not in a good position, or not in a current situation is not good. You are dealing with something, or you are crying over something which is not existed in your life. But the thing is, here I think there are people around you who is spying on you for give their cup of love to you. They want to offer their cup of love to you. They know that you are not in a good situation, you are feeling sad, or you are feeling some loss in your life, and they want to offer their cup of love. So here I am not sensing only one person is spying on you. It is, I think here strongly I am getting this energy is you, because this person is not in a position to spying on someone. So here I think file number 3, this is a you, this is a person who is sad is you, and people around you are spying on you. They want to offer their cup of love to you. They want to be in your life, or they want to make you happy. They want to restore your happiness, because here this person is not happy. I think it is you, completely it is you. You are not feeling happy, or you are going through something which is making you lot of painful or lot of sadness, which is creating sadness. So here there are people around you, they are spying on you, they are keeping tabs on you to see what is happening. Actually it is not like what is happening, it is like they want to offer their cup of love to you. They want to show that love, they want to show that compassion to you, so that you can come out of this situation. Obviously even universe want to give this cup of love to you, so that you can come out of this sorrow, whatever sadness you are going through, you can come out of this. But here I think you are not looking at those cups. So pile number 3, here it is not one person, there are people around you, they are looking, spying on you to make you happy, to create some happiness in your life. So I think it is a time to look at them. Stop crying over something which is not existent, because here I am not sensing anything is there which you are crying, because everything is there around you, but still you are crying. About what you are crying? Stop crying about the things which is not existed. Take a look around you, because there are so many people around you who are ready to offer their cup of love to you. So you can be, it is completely in your hand. You need to change this situation. Here it is a very, you are very much blessed with so many cups. So it is completely, the situation is completely in your hands. You want to make happy or sad, because here you are in sadness. If you change your perception and take these cups, you will be happy. So it is completely in your hands. So pile number 3, here there are not one person, I think there are multiple people spying on you to offer their cup of love to you, offer their compassion to you, whether they may be your friends, whether they may be people who are interested in you. But they know that you are not happy. It is not hidden. They simply know that you are not happy, you are crying over something, you are feeling sad about something. So they know that your situation is not good right now. So they want to come into your life to change that situation. So I think you need to think about this. Instead of crying over this, whatever happened, try to take that cup of love and change your life. It is completely in your hands. Because universe is giving lot of choice. There are so many cups. Universe is providing you whatever needed to be happy, but here you are not accepting that. You are not accepting that opportunity. So pile number 3, if it is not you, if your situation is not this, change, look for some other pair, because here I am strongly sensing this person is not in a good position currently, and this is you, not the one who is funny. Okay. So pile number 3, whoever in a sad situation, come out of it, lot of love around you, you need to look at it and accept it. So pile number 4, who is spying on you and why? So So pile number 4. This person is a Gemini or any kind of air sign, or their chart is very much dominated by air sign, Libra, Aquarius and Gemini. This person is spying on you. Actually, in the past, I think this person is dealt with lot of mental blocks, where this person felt like stuck in their own mind, but they felt like it is created by some different people or different situations. They felt like a blindfolded, where they cannot do anything, they cannot take any kind of action. They are completely stuck in the situation. It is nothing but stuck in their own mind. They are stuck in their own brain or mind because of their own mental blocks. So now this person came out of it. Currently this person is not stuck in their mind. They came out of it. Now they are understanding the situation. Whatever happened in the past, I think you already know this person. Who you are spying on you, you already know this person, because some situation has happened where they felt stuck. Now this person came out of this stuckness, their own mental blocks, and now they are understanding the things clearly, or at least they are able to see the things clearly, which is making them to understand the things clearly, whatever happened in between, or in that situation at least. So now they are better understanding the situation, I can say, because in the past I don't think this person is in a place where they can understand anything, because they are completely in stuck situation. They are blindfolded and stuck with their own mental blocks. So now they are in a position to think about the things, understand about the things. If it is not necessary, they are able to see the things in a different perception. They are better understanding of the situation or the connection. This person is spying on you. So why they are spying on you? I don't think they are spying on you to take any kind of action. They are simply trying to understand more about the situation or the whatever you share, the connection. They don't want to take, not going to take any action, or they don't have any kind of plans. Here I am not sensing anything. They simply try to understanding the situation, whatever happened. I think this person is went through some difficult time in the past. His Eight of Swords is completely like stuck in our own brain, with our own mental blocks, with our own belief system, which instilled in our childhood. So finally they came out of it. So now they want to understand the situation in a more clear way. Maybe because of that they are spying on you. They just want to understand the situation or the things, whatever happened in between you or in that connection or in that situation. They want to know more about you in a clear way, because in the past they are not in a position to do anything about it. Not even thinking, not even acting, nothing. They are completely like blindfolded. Their brain is completely out of control. Now they got that senses. They are in, their brain is in a much better place now. So that's why they are spying on you. So they want to understand the situation more clearly in the deep way, or at least they want to try to see the things in a different perception. I don't think anything they are going to take any action, because they simply, I think recently they came out of these mental blocks. So as of now they are spying just because they want to clear the things, some things which is there in their brain. Just they want to understand the situation in a more clear way, I can say. So let's move on to pile number 5, which is yellow pile. Pile number 5, who is spying on you and why? So pile number 5, this person is a Pisces person. who are spying on you. They are spicy, they are single, they are very much happy with lot of love, affection. They are simply very happy person. Very, very, very happy person. At least now they are very happy. In this current situation, they are very happy. They are feeling very content. They are very satisfied with whatever they have in their life. So this person is spying on you. The reason why they are spying on you is they feel the same thing for you. Like you are also a very happy person. They will get some positive vibes from you or positive energy you give them. Whenever they watch you, they feel this happiness, this wish fulfillment. They feel like their wishes are fulfilled in some way. Or you are their wish fulfillment. And the way they are happy, they are positive, they are love towards their life, same thing they feel towards you. Like you are also a happy person, I think. You are also give the same vibe to them. It is like when they watch you, they feel like they are watching themselves. You reflect them in so many ways. So they feel very happy. Whenever they watch you, they spy on you, they feel very happy. Because you give them some positive vibe, positive energy, or that whatever they are holding. This person also very positive person and very happy person, very content person. Whatever they have in their life, they are very much happy. They are very much content. And same things they see in you. That is the reason they are spying on you. And moreover, whenever they spy on you, like whenever they see you, they feel more happy, more positive. It is like brightness, some kind of different positive energy you give them. Or at least they feel in that way. They feel more positive energy. Even though they are positive, they feel more positive. So here I can say that you are mirroring. You both are mirroring. Because this person, simply you are reflecting this person. I think you are also same way, very happy and content and loving person in your life. So they feel that you are reflecting one kind of, you are their reflection. So that is the reason they are spying on you. They simply feel happy. Whenever they watch you, they will feel happy. Maybe it's kind of habituated. It is their habit to watch you, to feel more happy. Because it is not that they won't watch you, they won't be happy. They are very much happy person in their life. Very happy person. But when they watch you, they feel like they are seeing themselves. So one kind of different happiness they feel. Different vibe, different happiness, different, you give some different energy, different vibe to them. So that's why whenever they watch you, they spy on you, they feel more happy. Their happiness will be increased, I can say. Because that's why I said you both are mirroring. So that is the reason they are watching you. And moreover, in one way, you are their wish fulfillment. Maybe at least they feel that you are their wish fulfillment, or you are going to fulfill their wishes, or with you their wishes will be going to fulfill. Some kind of wish they may be having. So whenever they watch you, it is like their wishes got fulfilled with you. It is a completely loving card. This person is very lovey-dovey person, I can say. So you are a wish fulfillment, nothing more, nothing. I'm not getting more messages from this, because here I'm simply sensing mirror image, mirroring. Here, two people are very happy in their own lives, in their own individual, because it is Nine of Cups. It's a completely single card. This person is a single person, and I think you may be a single person. Both are very happy person, very happy people, very content people, very satisfied people, very loving people, caring people. And whenever they watch you, if you are also spying on them through this, at least through this reading, you both feel the same way. They see you, you feel happy. When they spy on you, they feel happy. Your happiness will be more increased, I can say. Your happiness will be increased. Here, nothing bad is happening. Moreover, they are feeling more happy, and they are feeling like they are seeing someone same as they are. So they are enjoying it. It's like, as I said, you are their wish fulfillment. That is the reason they are spying on you. So anyway, thank you for watching. For more readings, you can like and subscribe. For personal readings, you can mail me. You will find the details in description box.